ପିଲାମାନେ ଗତକାଲି ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଟିକେ ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି, ମନ ଦେଇକି ଶୁଣ। He says, I have a doll in my bag. He said that he has a doll in his bag. Geeta says, these books are mine. Geeta said that those books are hers. The girl says, our teacher is talking to us. The girl said that their teacher is talking to them. Ajay says to his friend, I never eat fish. Ajay says to his friend that he never eats fish. Malati says to her mother, I write with my pencil. Malati says to her mother that she writes with her pencil. The teacher says to the boys, you may come in. The teacher says to the boys that they may come. Then see the unit 7. Translate into English. ପଡ଼ିଆରେ ପ୍ରଚୁର ଘାସ ଅଛି. There is plenty of grass in the field. ରମେଶ ତା ଘରେ ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା. ରମେଶ reached home in time. ଆମ ଗ୍ରାମ ଏଠାରୁ 5 କିଲୋମିଟର. Our village is 5 kilometers away from here. ମଧୁ ଏହି ଫାର୍ମରେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କାମ କରୁଛି. ଗୋପାଳର ଚିତ୍ର ଆମମାନଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଭଲ. Gopal's picture is better than ours. ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ turn the sentence into indirect speech. Example ଅଛି ଦେଖ. He said I am in class 5th. Hari said that he was in class 5th. Hari said I am going there. Hari said that he was going there. She said I shall go to Puri tomorrow. She said that she would go to Puri the day after or the day next day. Sita said my father bought a car yesterday. Sita said that her father bought a car the day before. Question number 4. Govinda said the earth moves around the sun. Govinda said that the earth moves around the sun. Shankar said we are cleaning our classroom. Shankar said that they were cleaning their classroom. Students, I discussed the answers of the topic and the questions. Now I give you the next questions for you. Students, I discuss the answer of these questions and you listen to me. The boy said, Mira doesn't run in the sun. The boy said that Mira did not run in the sun. Karthik said, I went there. Karthik said that he had gone there. Raju said, I am feeling ill now. Raju said that he was feeling ill then. Hari said, they may come tomorrow. Hari said that they might come the next day. The girl said the teacher will teach us English tomorrow. The girl said that the teacher would teach them English the day after. The boy said, we do not come to school late. The boys said that they did not come to school late. He said, they are our friends. He said that they were their best friends. Ramesh said to Prakash, "My father is in the hospital." Ramesh said to Prakash that his father was in hospital. The teacher said to us, "You must obey your parents." The teacher said to us that we must obey our parents. She said to her mother, "I know them well." She said to her mother that she knew them well. Students, I discussed the answer of the questions and you listen and you write your answer in your notebook and send me to my WhatsApp number and I will correct them. And if you have any doubts, please give me and send your doubts and ask me to correct them. Thank you.